4771 for the 2020 Panini Encased football card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, April 6, 2021. It's 11:43 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:43 p.m. Central Time, and 8:43 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Dust with 8 spots, Bra 1, BD 1, JT 1, Beck 2, Jer 1, Jas with 1, Eero 4, Phil 2, Fine 4, M1, Alexa 1, Abby's Dad 2, Mark 1, BIS with 2 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Dust on top, BIS bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mark on top, Dust on the bottom. We have Mark with the Cardinals, Dust with the Falcons, Abby's Dad Ravens, Jared with the Bills, Eero with the Panthers, Dust with the Bears, M with the Bengals, Dust Browns, Eero Cowboys, Broncos, Dust Lions, Phil Packers, BIS Texans, Phil Colts, 1 fine with the Jaguars, Dust Chiefs, 1 fine Raiders, BD Chargers, Dust Rams, Beck Dolphins, 1 fine Vikings, Alexa Patriots, Dust Saints, Beck Giants, Jace Jets, BIS Eagles, Abby's Dad Steelers, 1 fine 49ers, Eero Seahawks, JTS Buccaneers, Bra Titans, and last but not least, Dust with Washington. All sealed up. Let's see what we have here. Empty, empty, empty. All right, we'll start with Len Arden Jr., the Joker, rookie endorsements, 29 out of 75, rookie auto. And this will go to the Raiders. Then we have Jordy Nelson in the Green Bay Packers, 25 out of 35. Maybe. There we go. Very nice. Then we have a substantial rookie swatch, James Morgan, 4 out of 15 for the New York Jets. Very nice. Then we have Jared Stidham and the Patriots. The New England Patriots. And let's see what we have here. We have a rookie dual swatch signature, Chase Young out of 50, mint 9 for Washington. Number 2 out of 50, Washington football team. Very nice for Washington. That auto is a 10 per Beckett. All right, cool. Let's see who's getting what. We'll start with the Patriots. Patriots going to Alexa Siri. Congrats. Then we have the New York Jets. That's going to Jace. Congrats. And then we have Jordy Nelson and the Packers. Phil, congrats. We have the Raiders. One fine 72, congrats. And last but not least, we have the Chase Young mint 9 dual swatch signature, 2 out of 50. Thing is heavy. That is going to Dusted 98. Congrats, and that was 47.71 for the 2020 Panini Encased football card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.